Hi everyone, and welcome to MathSux. This video is going to help you pass the Algebra Common Core Regents. So we're doing this one question at a time. Here is question number 3. Given 7x plus 2 is greater than or equal to 58, which number is not included in the solution set? So whenever you see this kind of inequality here with a variable, we're going to want to solve it and see what x is equal to, or x is greater than or equal to. So let's just do that over here on the side. 7x plus 2 is greater than or equal to 58. So we're just solving this like a normal equation, just kind of ignoring this inequality sign for now. So this is 56, same inequality sign, greater than or equal to 7x. And now we're just going to divide 7 on both sides. So the 7's cancel out, and x is greater than or equal to 8. So if it's greater than or equal to 8, it can be 8, it could be 10 or 12. So the only thing it can't be, not included in the solution set, is 6. Choice 1.
Need more practice? Check out MathSux.org for more questions. Link below. Also, don't forget to subscribe. Happy calculating!